So we have our special guest here, Jerry. Welcome. And pretty soon, one of us is going to be asleep.
Oh yeah.
And can you tell us what we're going to be doing for you?
The full upper arch.
Yep. Implants, so teeth out, implants in, and then 3D designed and printed teeth. Pretty amazing. And from what you were telling me, you've been struggling with this for
A long time.
a long time. So what are you looking most forward to?
Better smile.
Yep.
I can talk to more people.
Yep. Confidence.
Yeah, better confidence.
Awesome. And your family's excited for
Yeah.
this? Good. And you've been to other consults, and what was that like?
They didn't really explain it all that good.
Yeah.
The materials of the teeth aren't that great.
Yep. So you get more bang for the buck. Better team here at Smoler Smiles. So someone who's wondering what to do, where to go, what would you tell them to really get them healthier and feeling better? They've been putting it off for 5, 10, 15 years. What would you simply tell them?
Just do your research, and your guys had the most precision.
Yep.
The best team explaining everything, and
Awesome. Well, that's great. Well, Jerry, thank you. We look forward to helping you. T minus 48 hours.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.